By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to conquer the Autodesk Civil 3D Professional Certification exam in your very first attempt. No more guessing, no more wasted time. Stick with me and let's make it happen. The data for this video is compiled by Paul Muhindi, who is a civil and structural engineer with extensive experience in geothermal projects. Throughout his career, he has learned that technical skills alone don't translate to valuable project contributions. And I completely agree with that statement. Now, he is not just talking theory here. Since 2016, he has been, well, deep in the trenches of Civil 3D, from basic projects to multi-million-dollar government contracts, and he has seen these certification exams change, evolve, and frankly, get tougher. Now, do you remember the time when you could actually use the software during their test? Well, those days are long gone. But that's exactly why you need this video. So, let's start with why you should go for Autodesk Civil 3D certification exam. Well, the answer is simple. It's the official stamp of approval from Autodesk themselves. It instantly boosts your credibility, and in a competitive job market, it's the edge that lands you the job. When comparing equally skilled prospects, employer will almost always prefer a person with certified credentials. Think of it as your career turbo boost. Now, let's address the next question. What is the difference between certified user and professional exam? Okay, let's clear up some confusion. Certified user versus professional. I would say forget the user exam. It's entry level, outdated. You want the professional certification. It's for those with real experience. 400 to 1200 hours of experience, hands on experience, and it's the only one that truly matters. But you cannot simply just wing it. You need a structured approach. And in a moment, I'll share in this video how that structured approach looks like. That brings us to the next question, which is what are the type of questions and will you get access to the AutoCAD software? Now, here's the kicker. You don't get to use Civil 3D software during the exam. Yep, you heard it right. No software access. It's all about your knowledge and understanding. Questions are mostly multiple choice type, matching, image hotspot, and short answers type. Essentially, a mix of all of these question types. Okay, let's take the next question, which is Windows or Mac for Civil 3D. Well, honestly, it doesn't matter, but Civil 3D will run on Mac only with parallels or virtual computers, so Windows is your go to option. And what about the syllabus? Well, forget those advanced Civil 3D features like advanced GIS and surveying features, structural and geotechnical design, stormwater and hydrology tools, etc. Well, this exam focuses on core Civil 3D concepts. To make it even easier, we have covered all the Civil 3D certification exam topics in our Civil 3D beginners course. The link of this course is in the description. Now, let's talk about the real question. How do you actually prepare? Well, first, you need serious hands on experience. I mean, about 400 to 1200 hours of experience. You need to know the interface, the commands, workflows, and quite a lot. So, practice, practice, practice. And here's the shortcut. We have built a comprehensive learning path, especially designed to get you certified in your first attempt. Now, this learning path has a structured arrangement of courses and video lessons. We start with a complete syllabus breakdown covering everything that you need. Then we move into practical projects and drawings, building your real world skills and giving you the required 400 to 1200 hours of experience. And finally, we tackle exam prep with practice test and full mock exam. Now, this mock exam is crucial. It's designed to simulate the real thing so you can identify your weaknesses and crush them before the actual test. Once again, the link of this entire learning path is in the description and also in the pinned comment. Finally, let's talk about the exam logistics, process, and how you can book one. Well, your first question here might be, well, how does the exam work? Online or in person? Well, the answer is you've got options. You can book through Certiport for an in person exam at a testing center near you, or directly with Autodesk if you prefer online exam. Online exams require a webcam and microphone for proctoring. Essentially, there is a voucher system where you can buy a voucher for the exam from Certiport and also from Autodesk directly if you want, and then appear for the exam either online or offline. And during your entire exam process, a proctor will monitor you either in the center or through webcam. Now, the score of certification exam shows up immediately after you submit it. I've covered all the step by step details in the linked learning path that I mentioned previously. It's in the description and also in the pinned comment. Now, the result that you get after this certification exam is submitted will show a detailed breakdown of your strength and weaknesses. The certification exam result is valid for 3 years. Think of it as a regular checkup for your career. After 3 years, simply recertify and keep your skills up to date. So, are you planning to take the exam? Let me know in the comments down below and tell me which topic you want me to cover in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.